All right, let's go down the hill again, shall we? We got to a crowded section. It's all right, we'll get past it. Just ride it out. That's my motto. That's what I do. Get that sunshine. Oh, it's pretty, but I got a little bit chilled, so I'm gonna go back to the car and get my jacket. I knew I might have to or want to. It was a chance I took. There's that good daddy. Kind of make me think of my friend Tony. Whew, yeah, I'm gonna get my jacket because it's getting chilly in the shade. The wind's picking up just a little bit. Enough to say, why haven't you got your jacket on, girl? Why I don't explore over there, even when my buddy's here. One of these days, maybe I will. It looks all moldly though. I think that's why. I see it. Yep. Getting just a little slick and icy too. I'll get my coat on. I'm not in any hurry today. I'm just bringing you for a little magical mystery tour, really. Sharing the view. That blue sky blue. Maybe I'll take the triplet up next time. I gotta get to the car first though, and I need some more speed through here. I gotta get a little uphill or I ain't gonna make it up that catwalk. Let's do it. There's some sunshine. Oh yeah. We gotta get down this catwalk. There's some peeps at the bar, doing well. Sometimes I miss being a peeps at the bar, but mostly I don't. That sunshine. It's not a cloudy day, so I can't sing that part. Blackfish lightning, rainbow blackfish lightning. She's fast. She makes it uphill, no problem. No problem. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps me out. Thank you if you do. Stay curious, courageous, fit and free too while you're at it. There's my stop.